Every dream pool starts with a simple space with our expert team. You can trust us to transform your vision into a reality. This project was located at Des Marinas Cavett. Do you have a dream pool in mind? Contact us today and let our team of experts bring your vision to reality. Step by step, we shape the ground with strength and precision. At Majesco, we understand that the magic of a swimming pool begins with a solid foundation. Our skilled excavators dig deep and lay the groundwork for a structure that will stand the test of time. We believe that a great pool is not just about aesthetics, but also about durability and longevity. That's why we take pride in our framework, which is built to withstand the toughest elements and provide a lifetime of enjoyment. Steel works, plumbing works, it's all in a day's work for our team of experts. With precision and care, they create a network of pipes and steel that will bring your pool to life. No job is too big or too small. We handle everything from the tiniest details to the largest components, ensuring that every aspect of your pool is both functional and beautiful. Built on a strong foundation where durability meets design. The steel framework is the backbone of your pool, providing the necessary support and structure for years of enjoyment. Our team of experts ensures that every component is installed with precision and care, creating a solid foundation for your dream pool. From structure to style, every detail is crafted with care. The concrete is more than just a structural element. It's the canvas for our artistic vision. Our skilled masons pour, shape, and smooth the concrete, paying attention to every nuance of your design. Whether you desire a sleek and modern look or a more classic feel, we bring your vision to life with precision and finesse, adding life, beauty, and elegance to every corner. The finishing touches are what truly make a pool stand out. Our team of experts adds the final touches that transform your pool into a work of art. From water features to lighting, every detail is designed to enhance the beauty and functionality of your space. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for, filling the pool with water. The crystal clear water cascading into the pool is a sight to behold. As the water fills the pool, it brings your vision to life, reflecting the surrounding landscape and creating a stunning visual masterpiece. From simple to stunning, this is how we build pools that last a lifetime. At Majesco, we take pride in our ability to transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary destinations. We believe that a pool is more than just a structure. It's a place where families can relax, play, and create lasting memories together.